So come build with me this under the cabinet shelf that was sent to me to try out. It comes with really neat instructions. It has about 6 steps, super easy. Poles are actually made out of stainless steel, and the shelves are made out of sort of like a clear plastic. And this is the cabinet. As you can see, this piece does slide out. You have a little shelf right here. So I would say that even though it's a thin plastic, it is quite sturdy, and this is amazing. It's very easy to clean. You can go ahead and wipe this down, or if you wanted, actually, you can put these plastic pieces in the dishwasher, but definitely you can go ahead and wipe this down if it does get dirty. These little pieces right here, these are little rubber pieces that will go at the bottom to go ahead and help protect both the shelf and, of course, your cupboard. So these rectangle pieces could come, right here, 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 and here, and it just helps with the sliding and the cushioning of this shelf.